Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have 64 to the power of x is equals to x to the power of 192, and we solve this problem for the values of x only. So here our first claim is to move all the variable terms to the right hand side, and we move all the constant terms in the left hand side. For this we can just first take 1 over x power on both of the sides for moving this x to the right hand side, and it will be written as 64 to the power of x, and its whole power is 1 over x is equals to x to the power of 192, and its whole power is 1 over x. So we do this step only when move the variable term to the right hand side. Okay, so here we can apply the nice exponent law. You know that if we have a to the power of m to the power of n, it is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by n. According to this exponent law, we need to multiply the exponents on both of the sides, and it will be written as 64 to the power of x multiplied by 1 over x is equals to x to the power of 192 is multiplied by 1 over x. So you see here this x is cancelled out by this x, and we will get here 64 is equal to x to the power of, here we need to move this 1 over x inside the term, and it will becomes x to the power of 1 over x, and its whole power is 192. So you see here we move our variable terms to the right hand side, and now we have time to move the constant term in the left hand side. So in order to move the constant term in the left hand side, we need to take the 1 over 192 power on both of the sides. So it will become 64 to the power of 1 over 192 is equals to x to the power of 1 over x, and its whole power is here first you have 192, and its whole power is 1 over 192. Okay, so in the right hand side we again apply this exponent law, and according to this exponent law we write it as, in the left hand side you see here this is the base of this term is 64, and we know that 64 is equals to 2 to the power of 6, and its whole power is 1 over 192, and here we multiply these two exponents, and you see here this 192 is cancelled out by this 192, and we will get here x to the power of 1 over x. And now in the next step you see here in the right hand side we have the exponent is the reciprocal of its base, so that now we need to make this type of conditions in the left hand side. But here first we need to multiply these two exponents, and it will be written as 2 to the power of 6 multiplied by 1 over 192 is equals to x to the power of 1 over x. Now we cancelled these terms. You see here this is 6 3s are 18 and carry 1, and 6 2s are 12. So we will obtain here in the left hand side is 2 to the power of 1 over 32 is equals to x to the power of 1 over x. So now in the right hand side we have exponent is the reciprocal of base. We need to make the same type of condition in the left hand side. So in order to make the exponent be the reciprocal of its base, we need some working in the left hand side. For this here we need to multiply and divide the exponent of 2 by 2, and it will be written as 2 to the power of 2 by 2 multiplied by 1 over 32 is equals to x to the power of 1 over x. Okay, so here we just move this 2 inside the term, and it will becomes 2 square, and its whole power is 1 over, we multiply 2 with 32, it will becomes 2 multiplied by 32 is equals to x to the power of 1 over x. And now here in the next step you see here we have this is 2 square, and 2 square equals to 4, and its whole power is 1 over 2 times of 32 equals to 64 equals to x to the power of 1 over x. So here you see that our left hand side is not, in the left hand side the exponent is not the reciprocal of its base, so we can repeat the above process again and again until we will get here the exponent is the reciprocal of its base. Okay, so that's why we again repeat this process, and we again multiply the exponent of 4 by 2, multiply and divide by 2, and it will be written as 2 by 2 multiplied by 1 over 64 is equals to x to the power of 1 over x. And here again we move this 2 inside the term, and it will becomes 4 square, and its exponent is 1 over, we multiply 2 with this 64, and it will becomes 2 times of 64 is equals to x to the power of 1 over x. And now here we have 4 square equals to 16, and its exponent is 1 over 2 times of 64 equals to 128 equals to x to the power of 1 over x. And now here you see that again in the left hand side reciprocal exponent is not the reciprocal of its base. We again repeat this process. We again multiply the exponent of 16 by 2. It will be written as 2 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 128 is equals to x to the power of 1 over x. And now again we move this 2 inside the term, and it will become 16 square, and its whole power is 1 over 2 multiplied by 128 is equals to x to the power of 1 over x. And now you see here 16 square is equals to 256, and its whole power is 1 over 2 times of 128 is equals to 256, and it is equals to x to the power of 1 over x. And now you see here both of the sides have exponent is the reciprocal of its bases, and now we have time to compare both of the sides. So when you compare the bases, you get x equals to 256, and when we compare the exponents, then you get 1 over 256 equals to 1 over x. So from both of these cases, you get the value of x is equals to 256. So from both of these cases, you get the same value of x. So this is the final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.